guys, so today we're going to be reviewing for you my son's little Tikes Cozy Truck. We're going to be showing you us pushing him in it, him pushing all the buttons and playing in it, give you the pros and the cons. And hi! So showing you through the little Tikes Cozy Truck. It took us about an hour to put it all together. It was very easy. Okay, so the door. It has the options where you can permanently lock it, permanently unlock it, and you do this when you screw and assemble it all together. Or you can have it so it opens and you can lock it and open it whenever you choose. So because he likes to get in through the door, we have it on a temporary setting where we open it and close it whenever we want. Going around, it has all the decals that we had to put on after we assembled the whole truck. Show them your horn. It has a horn, a steering wheel that goes around and around. Brum brum. Going to the back of it now. It has two cup holders, which is nice for his water bottles. A tailgate that opens up and closes shut. The decals for the brake lights. The only thing that I would say is a con about the little cozy truck is its tires are very loud because they are plastic. Other than that, we find it really nice. One thing that we really like about the little Tikes Cozy Truck is, I don't know if you can see, but in the bottom where his feet go, there is a panel that you can choose to put in here. So right now we have it in because he's not walking yet. So he sits there and basically just enjoys the ride. When he is old enough to walk, we can remove that panel and he can scoot it around with his own feet. So when the panel is in, we like it. We have taken him on a few walks, and this is the handle for parents. You just push him around. So if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the link in the description box below to get your very own little Tikes Cozy Truck.